Have you ever wondered how a simple act of kindness can change a person's life? Picture this. It's a rainy Sunday morning. John, a young man with an accounting degree but no job to show for it, is contemplating whether to venture out to church. Despite the heavy rain, a voice within him coaxes him to step out, armed with nothing but a small umbrella. While on his path, he stumbles upon a woman stranded by the roadside. Her car is victim to a punctured tire and a merciless pothole. At first, John is hesitant. He risks being late for church. But then, the same voice nudges him again, reminding him of the virtue of kindness. And so, John steps up to assist the helpless woman. Despite the rain and the possibility of being late for church, John chose kindness. His actions that day, under a small umbrella and a heavy downpour, were a testament to the power of kindness in action. In the midst of the downpour, a conversation sparked between John and the lady. As the raindrops pattered on the umbrella, the lady, intrigued by John's selfless act, asked him about his profession. John, with a hint of melancholy in his voice, confessed his situation. He was an accounting degree holder who had been searching for a job for the past 4 years. The woman was taken aback. Here was a man, drenched to the bone in the freezing rain, helping a stranger when he himself was in need. Touched by his spirit of goodwill, she made him an offer. She told him to come to her office the next morning, promising him a job. John, surprised and grateful, thanked the woman. A simple act of kindness had transformed John's life in an unexpected way. In the midst of the storm, he found a silver lining. His kindness, it seemed, had not just touched the lady's heart, but also paved the way for his future. So, what does this story tell us about being nice? Well, it beautifully illustrates that being nice isn't always about expecting something in return. It's about extending a helping hand, offering a warm smile, or simply being there for someone who needs it. It's about embodying the virtues of empathy and compassion, even in the face of adversity. John's story is a testament to this. Despite the heavy rain and the risk of being late for church, he chose to help a stranger. He didn't do it for any reward or recognition, but out of the sheer kindness of his heart. And yet the universe has a way of rewarding such selfless acts. Unexpectedly, his kindness opened a door of opportunity he never saw coming. This is the essence of being nice. It's not a transaction, but a way of life. It's about making the world a little bit better, one act at a time. Remember, every act of kindness, no matter how small, never goes unnoticed. So be